Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I got this beautiful Jeep JL that we're going to do a K&N cabin air filter replacement in it, only because we are living in a disposable society and trying to do a little bit better for the environment by using a reusable filter. So with the glove box open, you see that little handle on your left-hand side. You want to grab it, pull it up, and then push it out, and that releases it. And then the top, just push that tab up, and then the glove box door can just either rest down or pull out. And then to remove the cabin air filter, squeeze those little tabs, and then pull it out at like a 45-degree angle, or even a little bit more if you want, and then pull that piece right out. To remove the filter is pretty easy. Just kind of jab your finger in there, and then kind of pull it back. Then when it starts to come out a little bit, grab the other side, kind of pull it in towards you like an accordion, and it just comes right out. Now, if you came to this and you're going to replace with the factory filter, there is an airflow direction. With the reusable K&N filters, you want to have the label facing towards you, the proper orientation. Then what you're going to do is you're going to slide one in. Slide it in like so. And then slide it over to the side. Grab your next filter. Make sure it's orientated the same way. And then push it straight in. Now you're ready to put the door back in. And this might be the hardest part of the whole job, is trying to align that end with the little hole. But once you got it aligned, you just push it back into place so it kind of snaps in. Grab your door. If you took it off, align it with the little hinges. Push the little lever up top to get that part in. Get the little side arm, align it with the hole, and then slide it in and push it down. And once you're done, you can close the glove box. There you have it. That was pretty easy. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.